It's time for me to sit down and wait for you all to say, dinner's ready. Hurry up.
Hey, my name is Cece Allen. I'm a video journalist for NYT Cooking, and I'm not gonna be home for Thanksgiving this holiday. Usually I'm in Michigan on my family's blueberry farm, and we're around a big table, lots of food. Usually my role during Thanksgiving is just making sure we don't run out of beer and ice. There are so many phenomenal cooks in my family, one of them being my mother, and one of her dishes being my ultimate favorite, the sweet potato casserole. It is the main of my plate every single year of Thanksgiving. I don't know how to make it, and I want to learn how to make it. So what I'm gonna try to do is call my mom and see if she can walk through it with me. She's giving me an hour of her time. I'm actually really late to this call, and I know the first thing she's gonna say is that I'm late to this call.
Thanks, Cease. You're late. Is my hair looking crazy?
You look good.
You ready to get started?
Teach me your ways.
The first thing you need to do is you need to cook your sweet potatoes. How big are yours? Mine are bigger, guys, like this.
Oh, that's the mama.
So do a few more.
Pop these in here.
It actually is my cousin Paula's recipe. I loved it. It's always amazing. And so I asked her to teach me how to make it.
When we used to get in line for Thanksgiving, it's usually like the elders first, but I just wanted to be first so I could make sure that like I could get some of the
top layer. The good stuff, the marshmallows. So I don't know about you, but my potatoes are boiling. Are yours?
No, that's not me right now.
That's not your reality? Well, I told you to turn it on high.
Well, this is not my kitchen also, so it's broken. I don't have the lid thingy. All right, we are cooking.
Stick a fork in it and it goes in real easy. You know it's done. You don't want it to be hard at all.
Poked it. Ooh, it slid right in. That's perfect.
Perfect, perfect. Take one at a time, take it out. Use my fork and my knife and slide that skin off.
Okay. That's piping hot.
Yes, but you'll see how it just starts to fall away. I always cut the little ugly eyes off too.
What ugly eyes?
You know how sometimes the sweet potato has those little eyes. And then I just plop them in my bowl and go to the next one.
Pop it in the casserole bowl. Right here. One down.
Last night I had my French 75.
You're drinking gin now?
No, I'm drinking French 75. It has gin in it. Oh, dang, Cece, you got a big old bowl for those little bitty potatoes. That's much better.
Okay. What's your favorite part about Thanksgiving, Mommy?
Being with family.
Yeah.
That's why this is going to be very different. But it's okay. We just have to pivot and make it work.
I remember as a child doing this and you just never trusted me to do it. You would always hold my hand. I got my own mixer now. What speed do you have it on?
Guess who I am on with?
Hi, Buddy.
What a loser.
Miss you. Are you cutting in and out, or is that, what is that?
I always have a round 2 of my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and my allspice. And then just mix again.
I love that you do it this way because I feel like sometimes when I've had it, it's like the crunch is at the top.
Inside and it's at the top.
And it's at the top, yeah.
Smooth my top off and make everything flat and even and nice. Because now you're getting the presentation ready.
Let's do a side by side, shall we?
Very good.
Yay!
And that is it.
Oh, she did it. Okay, great. Good, good.
And that is your sweet potato casserole. 4 minutes to spare to get on my meeting. Love you.
I love you too.
Bye. Tell me how it is.
I will. I'll tell you how it is. Yes, that was great. This is what we came up with. All right. Oh, still hot. And so good. Wow.
All right, Cece, now it's time for the taste test. Delicious. Hope yours were good too.
It's great. Thank you for teaching me. I'm gonna spread the word that I know how to make sweet potato casserole. Maybe next year you can take a load off and I'll do it. All right. I love you. Bye.